Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this awesome iPad. This is the 12.9 inch. Now it doesn't matter how many gigs you've got or what color you've got. This is actually going to be the exact same thing that you get inside the box in any iPad, any newer iPad I should say as well. So even if you got an iPad Air, you're going to get the exact same things inside the box. So we're just going to open this up. Now I also want to mention that around the box there isn't that much information, but there is a ton of information on the bottom where you see your serial number and what iPad this is. I'm going to take that iPad and put it on the side. This is significantly bigger than the other ones that I have been unboxing and reviewing. And inside here we're going to see the manuals, stickers, and all that stuff. So here are the manuals. There we go, stickers, forgot to show you that. Yep, it comes with stickers, everybody likes those. I'm just going to put those back in here. And finally inside the box, we have our brick, which is awesome that they still include this. So I'm going to take this off for now. So as you may or may not know, with iPhones, they do not include this anymore. Not sure why they did that, but they don't. As well as headphones. They used to do that with iPhones, way back. Anyways, let's just take out the cable. That this is a USB-C and USB-C, so it's different again from iPhones. So if you were thinking of using these cables with your iPhone, it's just not gonna happen unless you have an adapter. Other than that, cable's pretty basic. It's your basic cable for your iPad. There's nothing that major about it. It's awesome that it is USB-C. Hopefully with newer iPhones, iPhone 14, it will both be USB-C. That's that way it should be anyways. But anyways, at this point in time, everything that you're looking here is what you get inside the box. There isn't anything more. So it's just your cable, your manuals that I showed you, and the charger right here, your brick. Now let's take a look at the iPad itself. Here's the iPad, 12.9 inch. And you might notice right away that it looks exactly like the 11 inch. And that's because, yes, they're pretty much the same thing. This one's just a lot bigger, including the camera. You will notice right on top of here, the lenses, it's pretty much the exact same thing. We have our power button. I'm going to show you all the way around the iPad. So on the top, again, we have our speakers. We've got our power button. Now on the side, we will see our volume. And then you will notice that there's nothing. Let's just turn it to the bottom. Here's our charging port, USB-C, speakers, and let's just look at the last part, which is nothing. So there shouldn't be anything here. There's no buttons, nothing. It's just a smooth surface. And on the back, you might notice this, which we need. That's the good thing, new feature about iPads nowadays. And plus the design-wise, it's a little bit different than older iPads as well. And right now I'm gonna try to get a close-up, but it's kind of hard. But it does have a front camera. You can barely see it there, but there it is. Now make sure if you guys would like to watch this iPad in action, to watch the setup video plus the manual and even the review. Other than that, here's the iPad. You got to see everything that's inside the box. That's what an unboxing is. But there's really not much more to show you. So as far as this video goes, we are all done. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.